biology, segmentation is the division of plant and animal body parts into a series of repetitive parts, each performing a special function. The vertebrae of a snake are segmented, for example, allowing it to move along quickly and successfully. Taking cues from nature, segmenting your software as a service partner portfolio into meaningful categories can help you build and fine-tune the structure of your program, allowing you to move more freely. This is important because it allows you to make data-driven decisions and get specific about the role that each partner plays in your company's growth. Before we dive into how to implement segmentation and categorization, let's get clear on the difference between the two and how they overlap. We can think about segmentation as a vertical framework. Segmentation has to do with the partner's value in your program and corresponding tier or levels. Each level should have certain criteria a partner must meet in order to occupy this tier. As a simple example, you may have a gold level, silver level, or a bronze level. A gold level partner might be required to meet $10,000 in revenue per month and participate in 4 co-marketing events per year. Moving laterally, categorization has to do with the different types of partnerships and the roles that they play. For example, referral, affiliate, reseller, solution, and integration are all different categories of partnerships. You want to define the categories based on the needs of your program. Both of these aspects together help you clearly define your partnerships and help set your partners up for success. It also gives them something to aim for, motivating them to advance to the next tier. Now that you have an understanding of the difference between segments and categories, let's talk about how you can define and implement them in your program. Let's begin with the process of segmentation. First, you'll want to look at your current data. Which partners are adding the most value? What do those numbers look like? Remember, high value doesn't just mean monetary. Partnerships can add value through high engagement, positive brand influence, content adoption, and meeting objectives. Getting even more specific, high-value partners in software as a service partner programs can look like compatibility between tech stacks, willingness to co-market, and much more. Next, look 3 years into the future. What do you want to accomplish with your partner program by this time? From this information, create a list of criteria that determine your partner's value to your program. You should refer to your ideal partner profile when defining these criteria to know what a high-value partner means to your business. For example, if a partner has a similar customer base, is a market leader in their sector, and has a solution that will bring value to your customers, the degree to which your partner meets those criteria can correspond to tier or levels. Here's another example of segmentation in practice. Look at the accompanying chart. You can see this company has decided that marketing agencies are a high-value partner. Additional criteria here include an overlapping customer base, the company's size, familiarity, and the company's service. According to these criteria, the partners being assessed falls into the gold tier or level. You can design initiatives and processes specifically for your high-value partners. This will help you use your resources wisely and scale your partner program. Check out our Interactive Academy resource on example criteria for organizing software as a service partners for more help on this. Keep in mind that your segments or tiers may have different criteria depending upon the type or category of the partnership. Moving on to categorization, you'll want to define roles and develop names for the types of partners. You can get creative with these, but you'll want to make sure that these names reflect the function of this partner type. Common categories are affiliate, referral, and reseller. But you can also create categories based on the stages in the sales funnel. For example, Aircall uses terms like introducer, sales, and expert. Both segmentation and categorization help you ensure that you are putting the right amount of time and energy into partnerships. Be sure to update both the segment and categories at least once a year to reflect the evolution and growth of your partner program.